Hi, and welcome to Language Coaching Geneva. Learning a new language is for life, guys, so let's keep improving. I'm Margot Richmond, the founder of LCG, and I teach business English in Switzerland. This week I'm going to go over the meaning of the noun incentive. In case you haven't come across that word before, an incentive is highly used in sales teams to motivate employees to outperform, and because there's a price at the end, like a bonus or a training abroad, it usually motivates them. For example, an incentive at Procter & Gamble is that employees have access to a gym and a hairdresser on site with flexible working hours. If you benefit from cool incentives at work and want to share them with us, please do so. We'd love to hear your stories, which you can share in the comment section below. ESL learners, thanks so much for watching. I hope that my video taught you something new today and that you'll use it to shine at work ASAP. Don't forget to check out our website, follow us on social media, and subscribe to our YouTube channel for weekly videos, which can accelerate your business English learning development.